Right, we're cruising across the 30 in Indiana. Got loaded up in Chicago, South Chicago. They were all wearing rubber gloves, masks, 6-foot rule. No worries, I got my own pen and everything. I'm on it. And the reason we're taking 30 versus the highways is because if you take where we're going to York, Pennsylvania, if you take 80 and 90, the toll road, down to 76, the toll road, you're talking like $360 worth of tolls. Yeah, damn that. So we'll take the back roads, and we got all kinds of time to get there, so we're just gonna have a nice leisurely cruise across Indiana and Ohio. Oh yeah. On our way to York, Pennsylvania. All right, we're just outside of Fort Wayne, Indiana. Still on the US Route 30. And we're going to stop at this Flying J. Last time I stopped in here to do a 30-minute break, I had to keep on going because it was packed. So hopefully there's a spot. I see some spots. Good news. See if we can get across into this parking spot before all hell breaks loose. Oh yeah, one shot. All right, 30-minute break on. Off duty. 30-minute break, save. Yeah. All right, we're at the Starbucks roasting facility in York, PA. And you see all this? All the way down there, that's all truck parking. Yeah. And last night, man, they could probably put 60 trucks in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. Last night there was probably 20 in here. People need to get on board with this. It's a good idea. Starbucks, York, PA. Oh yeah. And doing our delivery last night, we were in the roasting, went right through the roasting facility. It's on the other side of that new building right there. I'm not a big fan of Starbucks, but I gotta tell you, it smelled good. Yeah, big guy. Big guy's looking good. My sniffles are subsiding. Hope I don't have that coronavirus. Called the doctor, they don't want to test you. I'm already quarantined in my truck. Still got plenty of tire on our trailer. You know, I listened to another YouTuber talking about trailer tires. And I run the Michelin X line. And these things probably have about 160,000 miles on them. And they're like, it's trailer tires. Put the cheapest thing you can put on there. Blah, blah, blah. Well, that's absolutely incorrect. You want a tire with the least amount of rolling resistance you possibly can to optimize fuel economy. So spend now, spend later, whatever. There's a reason I get good fuel economy. And I haul balls. These are also Michelins. They have 80,000 miles on them now, and they still have at least another 100,000, at least. And the front tires, there's zero sign of wear on them. 80,000 miles. All right, everybody. Our sniffles took a turn for the worst. You can't go into a doctor's office right now. So we're quarantined to the truck. Which I could think of worse places to be. So, today was a pretty rough day, but I'm feeling a lot better now. The shortness of breath thing is a little disturbing. Fever's gone. I got that last load off without any human contact whatsoever. Matter of fact, I still have all the bill of ladings, everything. I didn't want any of it. Great. And we are in an undisclosed location, waiting to get better. Yeah. So, that's that. Till next time.